I guess, positioned it from the face. We got that 688 there, which is correct. And then now when we update it, we should see that the base matches the mirrored features. Okay, so we went through a lot just to get here. But now, let's go ahead and finish with the remaining features, which are just the rounds and the fillets. Now, we've got, on the base, there are two 1/4-inch fillets, okay? Now, keep in mind that we fillet also this contour all the way around this face. So I think what matters is your order of operations, right? So here's what I would do first. I would go ahead and pre-select the larger radius edges first. So selecting those two and using features here with your fillet, we've got continuous fillet of 0.25. Okay. So we got that there. And then now we also have the base fillet there and the fillet around the whole face, which is 0.12. But also we've got the other corner fillets here. So let's do those as well. We'll use control click here and here. And then we'll use fillet to make it 0.25. All right. Now the reason why I did it like that is because you'll notice that now we have other edges, right? And in order to do a continuous face fillet, what we'll need to do here now is pre-select one edge, and if I right-click there, what we should be able to have as a selection is to select chain. And I might not get it right now, but look at this. If I go ahead and use my fillet tool, let's see if we can do it like this. You can see we have constant radius, right? And the dimension here should be 0.12. So let's adjust that, 0.12. We've got one edge here, right? And you'll notice we have tangent propagation. If you look closely now as I rotate, do you see all the edges in yellow?
Yeah.
Right, that's what we want. That's exactly what we want. So we needed to make sure that in the feature here we have tangent propagation. All right. We could also pre-select all of those little edges to create a fillet with.
Right.
And there we go. Now we'll do the same thing right here at the base. So let's just start with one edge, go into fillet, and you'll notice tangent propagation. Now this time we do not see, right, the yellow preview. You could also switch to partial preview, right, to see. Let's set this to 0.12. Okay, and you can see even with tangent propagation we don't get the other edges, right? So this is where we need to make sure we have this value box selected, and then we have to go around, and let me see if it's available now. If I go right click here, we should be able to do, it still says tangent propagation, here it is, select loop. The loop is what we want. Now that's not the loop we want. Let me remove that. Okay, let's go back here and let's see if I right click over this one, if we can select the right loop. It's not working. But either way, we can just select, go around and select each of the lines. And once we have that, double check that to be 1.12, and then we could do that. Well, let's see. It does appear to be small, and it is a 0.12. Okay. Let me double check. It looks smaller than what I have on the other ones. So let's go over here. Oh, yeah, 0.12. How about that? There we go. That's much better. Now, the final one, the last one here, is going to be also 0.12. But this is going to be on our flange. And let's see, you'll notice here's the mirror, right? So we want to do it on this guy. Now, notice that we've already mirrored. So we're going to have to do it to both. We can't mirror this anymore. This is something we should have done before we mirrored, but that's okay. So I'm just going to select the edge here, fill it again. Notice how it does the automatically. This is a variable radius fillet right here because it's blending. It's phenomenal the way it works. Is that 0.12? Got it. There. And then also,
Good afternoon. Finish it.
all right, let's finish this right here, okay? We're going to finish this last fillet right here. It's going to be a funny video, I know. All right, so there's 1, 2. Click OK. And then we can put it back into our ISO view. So in the next videos, what we're going to take a look at is adding materials, working with lights, environment, and then doing a drawing layout. All right, enjoy your modeling.